Welcome to my channel. The Nutritious Bite. Healthy choices for healthier a life. Did you know that pumpkin seeds can pack a nutritional punch that rivals many superfoods? These tiny seeds are loaded with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that can supercharge your health in ways you might not expect. Today, I'm sharing 8 surprising reasons why you should start adding pumpkin seeds to your diet, and how they beat common snacks like chips or biscuits. Number 1. Packed with plant-based protein. Just 28 grams, or about a small handful, gives you 7 grams of protein. That's almost like a small egg. Compared to a bag of chips with 2 grams of protein, pumpkin seeds are a powerhouse for your muscles and energy. Number 2. Heart-healthy fats. Pumpkin seeds are rich in unsaturated fats, the good kind. These fats can help reduce bad cholesterol and support heart health. A small serving of chips? Mostly unhealthy trans fats. Big difference. Number 3. Rich in magnesium. Magnesium is crucial for over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, from energy production to bone health. Just a handful of pumpkin seeds gives you 37% of your daily magnesium. Not bad for a tiny seed. Number 4. High in antioxidants. Pumpkin seeds are full of antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids. They help fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Next time you snack on cookies, remember, no antioxidants there. Number 5. Supports sleep and mood. Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin, key for good sleep and a balanced mood. Try snacking on these in the evening instead of sugary snacks that spike and crash your energy. Number 6. Promotes prostate health. Studies show that pumpkin seeds can support prostate health in men and reduce symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. A superfood bonus that chips or cookies just can't compete with. Number 7. Helps control blood sugar. Pumpkin seeds are not just tasty, they can also help manage blood sugar levels. Their high fiber, protein, and healthy fat content slow down sugar absorption, which helps prevent spikes and crashes. A snack like cookies or chips? They can do the exact opposite. Number 8. Boosts immune system. Thanks to zinc and other nutrients, pumpkin seeds can strengthen your immunity. 1 ounce provides nearly 20% of your daily zinc needs, something most processed snacks completely lack. So next time you're looking for a snack, think pumpkin seeds, tiny but mighty. Crunchy, delicious, and full of nutrients that your body will thank you for. Which of these benefits surprised you the most? Comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health-boosting tips and superfood secrets.